What's up, guys? So we finally broke the car. We were driving and I did a pull in first and we did not make it to second gear. We think that the gears in the diff broke and exploded because it makes this terrible grinding noise. Good thing we were right next to a gas station. We just pulled off and got a tow. But now we get to upgrade the diff and everything. So we have a 3.9 Torsen that we took out of an 02 Miata, and we're gonna put that in, as well as a NB subframe, and we're gonna do a couple other things while we have the car down. Obviously we're gonna need to get my drive shaft shortened because it is a 1.8 diff that we're swapping, and this one technically was a 1.6, I believe. So we're gonna rip it apart and see exactly what happened with the diff, and we'll show you guys.
Almost sounds like it's on like a roller coaster and it's going over like...
Yeah, the little bumps.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get the car jacked up. Right there. And see what the hell happened to this thing. Hopefully it is the diff and not the trains.
To take out our diff, we've done it before, but now with our new system, we're gonna take off the cat back, then we're gonna unbolt the half axles, then the diff, and drop everything down. And just to show you guys the noise that we're talking about coming from the diff, so spinning this tire, I think we broke something.
Yeah.
But this also tells you something. So there, this is another thing. So I think you did break that 7-inch gear or whatnot in it. So you've got teeth, grip, nothing. And then it's really hard to engage. Okay, and then it grips again. Grip back and forth, grip back and forth. Nothing. So just for instance, this is the car rolling backwards with me holding the drive shaft still. I will say this much, the actual housing itself is still fine.
Yeah, I just broke the inside.
You broke the internals.
Which honestly, we thought we were gonna break the housing, if anything. I mean, no, let me rephrase that. We thought the whole thing was gonna explode.
We really did.
Just up in flames, the whole thing. When this happened, I literally pulled into the gas station and I was like, Tyler, what do you think? Drive shaft, axles, or diff?
And everything else was fine. So.
And we looked under it and we were like, it must be the diff.
But
because nothing was wrong, technically.
We're still going to take out the axles and so on and so forth, but we're gonna drain it and see how much metal chips and just gunk is all in that.
But yeah, this is literally the new diff. Right there. Well, it's not new, obviously, but...
New to us.
That's the one we'll be using.
And it's an actual Torsen this time. We know it's a Torsen because we took out everything and we can see straight through. We know it. And we both know that it works fine. There was no issues with it, so we'll be swapping that one in. next we're taking out the 2 bolts that hold the differential to the PPF. It's just held on with the 2 17mm bolts. These are the ones where you need to back out a little bit, tap up to get the little like retaining nut pieces up on the top out. And yeah, we're just gonna knock that out real quick.
What we're doing is putting the new diff that I'm gonna have in the car, because we need to get this shortened, and we're gonna need a new flange on the back too. So this is gonna take probably 2 to 3 weeks to come back to me.
Which, this is what she's talking about size-wise.
Yeah, so you can see on the housing itself, the 1.8s are longer, so the drive shafts are shorter, and then the flange style is totally different. This one's more like it's like a bigger square, and this one's smaller. So we're gonna mock this up real quick, get a quick measurement for the drive shaft, so I can get the drive shaft sent out either today or tomorrow, and get that thing shortened. That way, once we have everything done, we're not waiting too long for the drive shaft. We do need to do a couple other things to the car, like we said before we get. It's not just the diff that we're replacing. We're gonna do a few other mods, and I think we'll be dropping the engine. So stay tuned for that. So we measured it up, and the new drive shaft needs to be 34 3/4, without the additional travel for the yoke. Measuring from the back of the transmission flange all the way to the back of this. So we'll see about getting that sent in. What we're gonna do now is drain this and see if any metal flakes or anything come out, and we're gonna pop the back open too and see exactly what happened, right?
So,
oh yeah,
there's indication. Oh my god. Oh, that's not good.
Ew, it's silver.
It looks like anti-seize.
Oh, by the way, this is like fresh fluid we had in there.
We didn't get more than 5,000 miles?
No,
or even 1,000.
Not even 1,000.
Oh my god, you can just see all the it looks like metallic paint.
Yeah, yeah. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like glitter.
I was gonna say it looks like someone threw glitter into your dip.
Yeah. Yeah, I think you guys can see those little sparkles. It's all throughout this fluid.
Do you hear that?
Yeah. Oh, I hear it. Mm-hmm. Oh god.
Oh!
Right there is broken for sure. I don't know if you guys can see that very well.
Well, here.
Oh my god, like all the teeth are grinded.
Oh yeah. Well, and to think, you only went maybe 75 feet?
Oh yeah, there's like a chunk of metal there. Like, look at this.
I'm gonna take off these bolts as well and try and take the entire thing out so we can really see everything that happened.
Oh, that.
There's that. So you totally chunked
Oh god.
all the inside gears. All these long teeth like this are from...
We can't see from that side.
No, but
Okay.
that thing's freaking sharp. I think it's called a spindle gear? but-
That thing.
Yeah, look at it. It's completely sheared.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Ugh. That's gnarly, man.
So you actually had a complete failure on the entire back side.
Oh yeah.
So, because that goes all the way around.
It's so fucked up. Half of it is gone,
Here,
literally.
shine light in here. I don't think there's anything in there, but...
Like, this part right here is like, okay, maybe, and the backside is like shattered.
Well,
and then
I think that piece right there, that little metal piece, I think that's a retaining clip
yeah, it looks like
for
it.
the needle bearings, I think is what they're called.
But yeah, like almost all the teeth are chipped on here. And then every single tooth on that is broken. Ooh. I just lifted up. Here's the view right here.
Yeah, so look at that thing.
Let me see the... Well, that's where we're gonna end it today. I did a number on tearing up that diff, which is fine because we were wanted to replace it anyway. Now we just gotta get the drive shaft sent off and do a few more things. So keep posted with the videos. We're gonna be posting a lot more now since the car's down. We've just been kind of enjoying it, which is why we haven't been posting many videos, and we've had some personal issues come up.
Chelsea says that I have bad form in these videos, so I will be finishing this video like this. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button down there, and the notification button if you want to. I don't care.